Thomas, go, go, Thomas, go, go, number one, go, go, Thomas. Something good's gonna happen today. Oh my, my, hey, hey, hey. Use your ears, use your eyes. Thomas is in for a big surprise. On the tracks, through the trees, over the hills, and by the sea. On the way for work and play, really useful every day. Edward, Emily, James, and Toby too. Gordon, Henry, Percy coming through. Thomas and friends all know what to do. Really useful. Go, Thomas, Thomas, number one. Go, go, Thomas, Thomas, number one. Coming through, Thomas and friends all know what to do. Really useful. Go, Thomas, go, go, Thomas, number one, yeah, number one. Go, go, Thomas, go, go, Thomas, number one, yeah, Thomas, go, go, Thomas, go, 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 number one, good friends, go, go, Thomas, go, go, Thomas, number one. Something new, friends to see and things to do. Percy, Gordon, Henry too. Everyone has a job, it's true. You have to hurry, you can't our time today. Whoa, let's go, we're on our way. Whoa, on a journey today. Whoa, Thomas can't take us there. Whoa, as long as we have a fare. Thomas can't take us there. Change the signal, change the points, all the pistons and all the joints, all the engines in tip-top shape, let's get them going, they can't be late. Here comes Thomas, down the track, around the corner, he'll soon be back. Chug and puff, the tracks are clear, clang and hoot, the station's near. Whoa, let's go, we're on our way. Whoa, on a journey today. Whoa, Thomas can't take us there. Whoa, as long as we have a fare. Thomas can't take us there. Today, whoa, Thomas can't take us there. Whoa, we're on our journey today. Clicking and a cracking, jumping and a puffing, rocking and a rolling, all day long, pulling and a pushing, biffing and a bashing, heaving and a hauling. Roll along, what, till the sun goes down. Push, push, push those trucks around. Clank, 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 go the wheels on the track. Roll along now, don't look back. Tripping and a tracking, splishing and a splashing, shunting and a shoving, all day long. Busting and a boiling, wheezing and a whistling, slipping and a sliding. Roll along, what, till the sun goes down. Push, push, push those trucks around. Click, click, clack, go the wheels on the track. Roll along now, don't
Dude! Funny dude!
I was minding my own business one sunny summer day, when from out of the sky came an eerie sound from somewhere far away. I looked up to the sky and I couldn't believe my eyes. A big old flying saucer came right down from the sky. I wondered why these aliens had traveled all this way, perhaps to make us be their slaves and take us all away. I started to run inside the house and hide beneath my bed. Then I remembered when I was just a boy what my mama said. Always take the opportunity to make a brand new friend, no matter if they're green or red or what shape they come in. They may live in your neighborhood or come from far away, from right next door or Singapore or across the Milky Way. What if they have three big eyes and smell with their feet? I suppose we'd be just as strange to them if ever we would meet. They may come from another world and be 12 inches high, but that doesn't mean we can't be friends if we just give it a try. Always take the opportunity to make a brand new friend, no matter if they're green or red or what shape they come in. They may live in your neighborhood or come from far away, from right next door or Singapore or across the Milky Way. Take it away, boys!
Always take the opportunity to make a brand new friend, no matter if they're green or red or what shape they come in. They may live in your neighborhood or come from far away, from right next door or Singapore or across the Milky Way.
From right next door or Singapore or across the Milky Way.
From right next door or Singapore or across the Milky Way.
you.